man, BG Tech Life, and today on deck we got a Pixel 3 XL, guys. This is something different. This is just an older device. I got some of these newer, but I wanted to check this out. I get bored with tech, guys, and I like nostalgic tech. And this is one of my favorite smartphones, guys. This is the Pixel. Yes, this is that Pixel with the big bezel. Definitely big bezel on deck, guys. But I really liked this device when I had it and I reviewed it, and I wanted to just check it out again because right now it's kind of like with some of these manufacturers gone off the game, guys. It's a lot of downtime for us tech reviewers that are into this mobile technology, guys. It becomes a little stale, and but when you really in love with the tech, so you check different things out and you go back to things and you relook at things. And we're re-looking at, this is a Pixel 3 XL, and the pink colorway. It's called almost pink, or it's not pink. I'm sorry, it's not pink. But I've never been on Swappa, guys, so I picked this up on Swappa. I was amazed at the prices on Swappa. I got this like $99 after taxes off of Swappa. When I seen this thing for 90 something bucks, and I mean, yeah, it's taking a little beating. I think I would give it a B. I would give it a B for the condition, guys. It is some fingerprints on the back, don't mind that, but it took a little beating. This, average folks in the corners, guys, and stuff like that. But other than that, the screen is immaculate, guys. The screen is immaculate, and it looks pretty good. And all I was gonna do, all we do is throw case on these devices, and it looked good enough to still throw a clear case on there and have you a nice Pixel device, guys. But my user experience with this thing, guys, I must say, now I do have Android Beta 12 on this thing. I have Android Beta 12. I'm not going to talk about my use of the Android Beta 12 on this device, guys, because that is a beta. It was my decision to put it on the device and try it out on the device. But with the stock software on the device, guys, this thing is just a fun device, guys. This device honestly has been my little buddy, guys. I'm not going to really, honestly, that's just how I've been that's how I've been rocking with this device, guys, because this is the, like, I want to say one-hander. I want to say is a one-hander for me, guys. And I want to shout out to the fingerprint being in the fingerprint scanner being on the back. I do miss that, guys. I like that fingerprint scanner on the back. I feel like it's just so natural and so easy to grab from the back, guys. You know what I mean? It's just a nice one-handed device for me, guys. The software, I'm telling you, is very smooth, guys. It's like I haven't noticed any difference from my newer devices. I haven't been gaming on this device. I haven't intentionally pushed this device, but I have been going back and forth through apps. I pull this device out at night because it's the perfect size and it's a little lighter than my Note. So I hold it in my hand, and when I'm laying in the bed, I watch YouTube videos on it, and I noticed the weight difference between this device and my Note, guys. So I go ahead and I use this thing a lot. And at night you want to look. All of a sudden, you might feel something. You on Google, or you think about something. You want to Google something, or look up something, or look up a vacation. But I still got the YouTube videos playing, and it does it with no problem. And that can actually task a device, guys. Tell you a story. I got an S21 Snapdragon 888, newest Snapdragon out. I was watching YouTube on that device, and I start thinking about, so I had a brainstorm, I had an epiphany. So I start using different apps, looking up things, trying to figure out things. And I was, at the same time, I had the charger in the device. I was charging the device while I was using it. I know a lot of people say don't do that, but I was, whatever. So it got to the point where it said, oh, we overheating, baby. We overheating. So I had to stop using it. But this thing, man, this thing has been just a nice, flawless device, guys. This has been nice and flawless on that Android. Now on a beta, I noticed a couple things, but I don't want to talk about the beta. It's a nice screen. I can watch YouTube videos. The notch really does not bother me, because if we you know what I mean, real tech reviews, we've been rocking with phones and using the iPhone still has a notch on the guys, so it's not the notch is there and it's not really bothering me. The chin doesn't bother me. It's got that, but with that chin, you get that great audio. So when I'm watching these videos, I don't have to have my earbuds on. I can sit there and watch these videos, have fun, surf the web, surf YouTube, Google stuff, and this is amazing. Also, guys, I was like, okay, I'm going to Google route with this device, so let me try the Google service. I picked up a Google Fi SIM card, and you know what I mean. I was like, let me try Google. I've never tried the Google Fi service, so I was like, let me try something else new, because all my SIM cards are kind of spoken for right now. Now, I didn't want to take a SIM card out of anything, but so I picked up this Google Fi service, and the Google Fi service is pretty nifty. It's the billing is not expensive, but I will say you're not going to get the top tier speeds. You're not getting super high speeds on that. You can get a flexible bill and payment. You get a flexible bill. It's pretty nice. It's not really expensive, but you're not gonna be pulling 100 mega. You're not gonna be pulling 100 gigs down or whatever. You're not gonna be doing nothing crazy. But yeah, man. As far as this Pixel 3 and 2021, man, this thing is a beast. For $100. I know I will never buy a new phone. If I'm on a budget and I got $200, I'm going to Swappa, guys, because a device like this is a Pixel 3 XL, guys, and you can take great pictures. You can take pictures with this phone, but up to the level of some of these newer devices, guys. You can take pictures up to the level of some of the newer devices. I mean, we all know how Pixel does it. How Pixel can really, get you some great pictures and do some great things with the photography on this device. And it's just running real swell, guys. And I got the Android beta, of course, on here. I'm just amazed at this $100 phone, guys. As you can see now, you can see the pink a little bit. It's just a nice looking device, man. Like, it's a nice looking device, nice performing device. $100. I throw a SIM card in it. Nowadays, I'm glad to know that the people see. We don't always have, especially for everybody doesn't have the resources to always go ahead and buy these $1,000 phones, sign these contracts, or the credit to get involved with these contracts, guys. Like, I'm glad to see that I can really get out here, buy a $100 phone, put a SIM card in it, and be rocking and rolling. And not even on just a basic level. Like, this is better than anything that you can go in the Cricket store and get for under $100. I'm sure. So this is a route that you might want to take a look at, guys. I'm really liking this little Pixel 3 XL in my little throwback period, and just a nice little different colorway. I like the pink. I always call it salmon. And yeah, man, it's your man BG Tech Life. We're gonna get deeper into it. Any more questions, let me know. I'm gonna continue to thug with my Pixel 3 XL. And yeah, in 2021, Pixel 3 XL is a budget beast, a destroyer. It's your man BG. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, BG_Tech Life on both. I'm out. Peace.